Alright, the sun's changing on me. Okay. Dang, I don't know. It looks blurry at the bottom of my screen, but I think it's fine. I think it just does that on the phone. I don't know. We'll look at the video. Anyway, here we go. Long Rifles Veteran Challenge, and of course now the wind's gonna pick up. Anyway, we're gonna try it. We're doing it with the Ruger. I was gonna show you beforehand. Dang it. Ruger with some Lapua Center X. Oh yeah. Let's do some side ends. And it's all clean. So we did SK standard okay. Had a couple of fires, but yeah, weird. Okay. You said any rifle, right, Mike? Oh, and you're supposed to choose before. I didn't write it down, but I'm going to go on the Marine one. I never served. I probably never would have, but I had a couple of hernia operations and some other shit. I did go talk to a recruiter one time, but said about all I could do was weekend shit, whatever that is. Can't remember what it is. But anyway, no, I'm not a veteran. But I want to shoot the target. I thank everybody for their service, of course. Okay. You have to go to a certain sighting because half that other one's under the target. But yeah, I'm going to go in the Marines thing. It's 49 degrees right now. Over there. Oh, no. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I come down, but I don't want to mess anything up. I'm going to have to. All right. 10 shots, right? That might have been it. Yep. I think I've tried the last three in the white. I think I broke the line. I don't know. On that last one. Dang it. Anyway, couldn't see where I was going. I don't know how many shots went in the deal, but I don't know how I'm going to count that up. But that's crazy what the Ruger does with Center X. Just a budget rifle off the shelf, man. I can't believe it. Anyway, there you go, Mike. I'll try my best to count it. We'll bring it down. All right, folks. Did this with the Ruger and some Center X. Did it for the Marine side. Got an 81. Got an 81. Broke the line up there. See that? Yeah, went into the next quadrant. Get a little bit greedy on them 10s. Anyway, so I got an 8, a 9, a 9, a 9, a 9, and an 8, and a 9, and 2 10s, and then broke the line on that last one, I think. Got an 81. Veterans Day. So there it is. Happy Veterans Day, everybody. Thank you, everybody that served. Thank you for my freedom to do this. Yeah. Thanks, Mike, for putting it out. Everybody have a good Veterans Day. Take care.